You ready?
No. No, I'm not ready.
3.
No.
Goodbye, boss.
Shit. Oh.
In this video, we will be taking a tractor tire on top of this field and sit inside of it and roll down this entire field. The tire might be inside of this barn, I don't know. My father said he thought it was a tire inside of here, a big tractor tire. So let's go have a look and see if we can find it. This is not looking good. We found a tire, but there's a... Spotted? Spotted! Yes, yes. Yeah, buddy, we found a tire with no rims inside. Empty tire. Yeah, this will work. All right, let's get this shit out and give it a go. Watch behind you. There's a huge gap here. You should not fall down there. Careful. Careful. Uh-oh. All right. Perfect. All right, so there's an issue with this tire, but we're gonna solve it. There's a nail in here, a big nail. So we should probably remove this so we don't get stabbed in the neck by that. All right, test ride number 1. Let's see how this thing rolls. It's a bit scock. It's a bit sided. All right, push it. Uh-oh. All right, perfect. All right, now let's try from on top of that field. It didn't even fall over. This is looking great. We're super excited. Oh my God. We just got full permission to use the tire. We're even gonna get assistance. He's gonna take the tire and carry it all the way up there. I did not expect him to be that chill, but right now he's taking that tire and he's actually helping us. I thought he was going to get mad or something, but he didn't. All right, so first we're gonna try from the middle of the field because we're gonna have to see if it's survivable. So first take will be from here. We're just gonna have to go get some helmets and some camera gear, and
some batteries.
We will some batteries, and we'll try. I'm gonna set up the camera in the middle of the field here, so we have one view from below. Okay, let's give it a go.
You need to push me.
Hold on.
All right.
I didn't get the time to set the GoPro up the right way. Oh no, I'm afraid I didn't capture it at all. Fuck. That was mad funny. Look how far I got. Alright, the first clip got absolutely flopped. The phone didn't capture it at all. It didn't go that fast, and the GoPro was just filming directly downwards. But we're gonna give it another go.
We're gonna switch things up and
Yeah.
we're gonna try it again, but now from all the way up there.
Yeah. Fuck going a little bit more and more up. Let's just go to the top and give it a try.
Let's go.
Let's go. Almost halfway up the hill. This is a huge field, and now it's for real. It's probably like 500 meters of steep field. I'm gonna sit in here and flip 100 times around until I eventually go down there.
Oh, this is so exhausting.
He has literally done it for 30 seconds now. We just switched.
Dude, don't remember.
I have a mixed feeling between total exhaustion and a fear of my life, because this will end in one of two ways. One, I'll be so dizzy I'll walk in circles for weeks, or I'll die. All right, we'll hope for the best. Let's give it a shot. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, me first. Now it's for real. Let's give this fucking idea a shot. I'm probably gonna puke. Imagine I puke while I'm upside down in that tire.
No, you won't. Because I'm gonna sit in this tire afterwards.
I'm sure gonna puke. Now I'm gonna puke. All right. Oh, shit.
Good luck, buddy.
Oh, look at this. I'm already dizzy and nauseous from the last time, and now we're 3 times as high up on the field. This is gonna be one hell of a experience. Let's give it a shot.
Good luck, bud.
Thank you, bro.
See you hopefully at the bottom. You ready?
No! No, I'm not ready.
3.
No. Hold on.
Wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
You ready, boy?
Go time!
Go time! Alright. Goodbye, boss.
Oh, oh.
Oh no. All right. Oh, holy shit. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. I don't even know what to say. I didn't fall over, but I think I jumped like 100 times. I did not roll like this. I jumped. I felt my back just boom, boom. Oh my god. It's your turn, bro. It was just fun, no pain. Everything worked out good. I'm so glad it's over. Oh my god, this was a stupid idea. Do not try this at home, alright? Do not try this at home. Oh, bloody hell. I'm nauseous. And dizzy. So my thoughts on this activity is I don't regret it, but do not try it. Do not try it. It was probably not worth it. But done is done. And now it's his turn. Now he's gonna suffer the same fate as I did. And I'm gonna push him the fastest this tire has ever gone. My back hurts so much. Are you excited? It was really fun. You're gonna go so fast. No pain, I promise. I'm not even dizzy. I'm not even dizzy.
Not even dizzy. Let's go. I'm going to him because now it's my turn.
All right, so he's too tired to go to the top, so he's just
Okay.
gonna stop in the middle of the hill.
You said it because it's getting dark.
Okay, it's getting dark, and
I would make it up.
all right. Oh no! Oh, okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready, dog. Woo! I'm gonna roll inside that wheel to the bottom of the field.
Here.
That rhymed.
Put it on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go inside with you. Have a nice ride.
Thank you, it's so tight.
Ready?
Let's go. I'm ready, cuz. I'm ready.
Alright. You're gonna fly.
I'm
Okay.
gonna fly. What? Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Holy fuck.
What a hilarious idea. I don't think a lot of people have done this before, honestly. I think we are one of few people to have rolled down a huge field in a tractor tire. And as I said before, I don't recommend it, but I don't regret it. So what that sounds like to you is up to you. But just for disclaimers, don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. Yes, do. Wow!
Holy fuck, bro.
Oh my god. All right, we're not gonna do that again because it was really painful in both neck and back. So
And head.
Yeah, and head. Luckily, we had helmet and motorcycle jacket with the good protection. So if you're gonna do this, use gear. Use a lots of gear. Use a softer tire and a less steep hill, I would say.
And the softer field.
Yes, softer field with really soft ground, because this ground, it felt really hard. All right, it felt hard.
It felt hard.
All right, thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and peace.
Peace.